Urbanviva Fast Defrosting Tray for Frozen Food. Thawing plate. Defrost meat. Frozen food quickly without electricity, microwave, hot water or any other tools. Quick and easy. We all have to face the one problem in the kitchen sometime in our life: to wait forever for the meat to be defrosted to cook. Not anymore. The Urbanviva uniquely designed defrosting tray will magically defrost your frozen meat faster than ever. Natural and safe, no electricity, no chemicals or heating. Simply take out meat you want to cook out of the fridge and put it on the tray and watch the magic happens. Easy to use and clean, it is super simple to use and even simpler to clean. Save you all the hassle you have to deal with before to cook a family fiesta. Less time in the kitchen, more time with family. Premium quality material, dishwasher safe aluminium. Dimensions: 29.5 x 20.8 x 0.2 cm, 11.6 x 8.2 x 0.1, length+width+height. Happy customer, we are extremely confident that you will fall in love with our product. However, in case you have any problem with it, if you're not happy with your purchase, simply send them back for a no questions asked, hassle-free refund.